Hello everyone, this is CA Sandeep Modi. This video is specially meant for the people who are investing in the share market or the share brokers or a CA who is having an audit or internal audit for the share brokers. In this video, I'm going to give you a demo about the free utility which we are giving to all the persons, everyone. It would be helpful for you because the problems which you face is that how can you get the share price on a regular basis or for past share data, lows and high of a particular share. Let me share my screen and explain you what we are trying to say. Now, this is the utility which we are giving for free. Here you can add all the share ticker name, and then you have to just insert this three items: share, number of share, buying price, and the this is a formula driven. So suppose we are putting here Axis Bank picker is this. So as you can see, automatically Excel has captured this. Now you have to just copy paste all the above fields. Here you have to put the number of shares which you are having. Here price will come, and apart from this everything will be auto generated. You have to just copy paste the above sheet. For here Axis Bank is 730, so assume I have purchased it for 735. It's just a dummy number, huh? I'm not uh, I have not purchased anything. So as you can see, everything is auto calculated. This is the closing price. So easily you can manage your system like this. And here are the stock details. For example, you have just added a Axis Bank here. You want to see which amount you have to come here. Here it will be automatically reflected. Here it will take 2 seconds to update, and here you can see from which date to which date you want the data, and it will populate it here down. So here automatically number of shares, the shares which you are having will be, all the names will be highlighted here. So this is the utility which you can easily find on our website. Link is there. This is our website link, falconx.in. All the details about us are there on this website. From here on the home page only, you can just click here to download. It will get download automatically. As you can say, it may take 2-3 minutes. It got downloaded. So this is how your you can easily manage your portfolio on a regular basis, or as per your requirement you can here download it from here. So thank you. If you have any problems, you can contact us. Thank you. In the description all the details are mentioned. Thank you.